Pearls by SYBILE Art in 50 by 71 cm rounds special treatment version 3. We start off with electric diamonds placed in the background, sprinkled in the lightest areas. So most of them would be this section over here, and then some over here on the sides as well. So simply place them in random areas in the background to give it a nice sort of glittery backdrop. And then for version 2 we have alexandrite that we have sprinkled on her blue dress. So sprinkle it on the bottom of the dress, and then if you'd like what I've done here, I've placed a little bit more on the bodice of her dress. And finally for version 3 we have vermilion crystals that we have placed on the red areas in the picture, and there are a lot of different red areas. You can place them on these red flowers on her dress, or you could place it on her headdress. You can also place it on that flower on her hair like what I've done, and even place some vermilion crystals on her lips, kind of like lip gloss. So you can choose to highlight just one area, like for example just place your vermilion crystals mostly on the sash or the ribbon, or you can do like an even sort of spread on all of the red areas that you see in this picture. Once again, this is Jade Pearls by SYBILE Art, version 3 special treatment. You've got electric diamonds, vermilion crystals, and alexandrite.